Hello, myself Professor Akash Tambe from SVNHTS College of B Pharmacy, Rahul Factory. Now we will see the topic validation and the importance of validation in pharmaceutical industry. Content. Introduction. We will see in this topic need of validation, scope of validation, documentation of validation, validation master plan, types of validation, process validation, cleaning validation, equipment validation, and validation of analytical method. Introduction. So, validation is defined as validation is establishing documented evidence that provides a high degree of assurance that a specific process will constantly produce a product meeting its predetermined specification and quality attributes. This is to maintain and assure a high degree of quality of food and drug products. So, need of validation. Customer satisfaction, customer mandate, product liability, control production cost, the development of next generation and safety. Now, scope of validation. Analytical test methods, instrument calibration, process utility service, raw material, equipment, facilities, and product design, and cleaning operators. Now, reflection spot. Wait for a minute and think over. Explain types and importance of validation. Pause your video and think over it. Next, documentation of validation. The validation activity cannot be completed without proper documentation of each and every minute activity with utmost details. Documentation of validation is generally different types such as validation report, validation master plan, validation protocol, and standard operating procedure SOP. Validation master plan. Advantages of validation master plan. It gives idea about further performed. What activities are to be performed? Who is going to perform these activities? When the activities should start and when they should get over? What documents will be generated? What the policy on revalidation? Validation master plan. Validation master plan includes premises, process, products, format for protocol and other documentation, list of relevant SOPs, planning and scheduling, location, estimation of staffing requirements, a time plan of the project. Guidelines on preparing VMP. It should include A4 size paper, file in a presentable form, have sufficient explanatory drawings, clearly divide the validation master plan in different forms. It must be dated and signed properly by authorized person. If found any step inappropriate, is discussed with the FDA people in advance. Types of validation. There are major types of validation. 4 major types. First one, process validation. Second, cleaning validation. Third, equipment validation. And fourth one, validation of analytical methods. As per process validation definition, as per FDA November 2008, the collection of data from the process design stage throughout production which establishes scientific evidence that a process is capable of constantly delivering quality products. Types of process validation. There are 4 types. Prospective validation. retrospective validation, concurrent validation, and revalidation. So this is flow diagram of process validation. First one planning, second one installation qualification, third one operational qualification, fourth one process qualification, fifth process monitoring, and last revalidate. Thank you.